In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how you can download Kodi on a Windows PC or Mac. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this video without wasting any time. Now what we need to do is we need to head over to a browser. We want to go to the main search bar here at the top, and you want to search for Kodi.tv. Once we search for this on the main homepage of Kodi, just simply head over to the download button at the top of the page. And then from here, you now need to scroll down and you want to choose the device that you are downloading on. So we've got Windows, we've got Linux, we've got the mobile phones, Android and iOS, and we've also got Mac. Now, once I choose this right here, I want to go to the one which is most relevant to me. I will choose Apple Silicon. If you are downloading on Windows, just click on Windows. And then as you can see, the download will then start, and then it will take a couple of minutes depending on how fast your internet speed is. Now, once this has fully downloaded, all we simply need to do is click on the download at the top of the page right here. So click on this, that will then open up something that looks like this. You then want to click and drag and drop this into our applications, or just install it if you are on a Windows. And once you drag and drop it in, as you can see, command, and then I will search for Kodi. And then as you can see, it has fully downloaded and installed on my device. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can download and install Kodi on a Windows PC or Mac.